maxed out. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. It's all disconnected, but just tangled up. Jeep life. made is nasty. Time to try this thing out. The speed is definitely there. I got my tool stuck. Hey. Go. Oh yeah, added a few things to this drawer. Added a few things over here. There's that snap ring pliers set, power steering cord set, and master stud set. And a bottom drawer. We added those. That is one pretty cool looking Jeep though. Oh yeah, looks good. Nice. New wheels. The new wheels fit on the old YJs. Jeepy. Badass. A popular shop choice for sure. Everyone's got a Fluke here. I'm still running with the Klein. It's alright. I don't do very much diag. Check these sweet ass things out. Neck tools. Hose pinch off pliers. These are the shop owners. These things are fucking badass, dude. If you can get a hands on something like this, these things are freaking sweet. Way better option than where's those stupid things that I got from Harbor Freight. Yeah, these things right here. These things don't work with the shit. Check out my new sweet ass Chroma Creeper. Oh yeah, baby. Back in black. Alright, time to go grab a few brewskis, head on back to the house, and see what tonight's topic's gonna be. I got a little list of topics that I wanted to talk to everybody about, so I'll just go down my list and look and see what sounds interesting, and then we'll talk about it. Alright, see you guys back at the house. Whew. Long day. Getting close to the weekend, baby. I can feel it. Today's discussion topic. Should you get into automotive? Repair, mechanics, whatever. You know, I don't know. It's been fun, man. You know, it's been fun. It's been challenging from time to time. There was definitely a few different situations and
points throughout my career when enough was enough and I was ready to just call it good. I did not want to be a mechanic anymore. Was really wanting to just find something else. Was getting a little bit frustrated because of how much it costs to stay in this industry, you know, between the tools and the toolbox and the gas and the uniforms and yada 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 yada, and the specialty tools, and oh my god, the specialty tools and all the dumb shit that you have to own when you're a mechanic. But to be honest, I'm not sure that I could do or that I would want to do much anything else. Yeah, it's had, you know, its rough spots, but I've had fun, man. I have had fun. I've met a lot of good people along the way. I've met a handful of you guys. Some of you guys I've talked to in the live streams. I started my YouTube channel because of this trade. I got a lot of certs, you know, from being at the Chrysler dealerships, MASC stuff, got my degree. I got some certs from like AC Delco, and now I'm working on something with Valvoline. So I've been to some pretty cool schools, you know, hybrid, and you know, how to rebuild transmissions and stuff on Chryslers. That was all freaking cool stuff. Working on the Hellcat engine, that was fun. So, no, I mean, overall, it's been fun, man. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a roller coaster for sure. A very, very much an emotional and financial roller coaster, to say the least. But it has been quite fun. I do enjoy what it is that I do for a living. I'd be lying if I say that I didn't, you know, even when I have like my worst day, there's just more good days outweigh the bad, you know what I mean? But should you get into it? I'm not really sure. I guess it depends on where you're at with age, where you're at career-wise already. You know, I don't know if you're, you know, between, let's say, 16 to 22, or you're just trying to figure it out still, or if you're between like 22 and 28, where you've tried a handful of other things but hadn't quite found anything that really gravitated you towards it, or if you're, you know, between 28 and we'll say 40, and you just reached a point in your life where you're looking for a little bit of consistency, and really as long as the pay takes care of the food and the mortgage and whatever, you're okay with it. So I think it really depends on where you're at in your life. You know, there was a lot of things that I wanted to do when I was younger. There were a lot of things that I attempted to do and never quite had that gravitational pull until I got into automotive. And at this point in my life, I feel like I'm a little bit too, I know you guys are saying, oh yeah, you're young. No, I feel a little bit too old to be trying to figure out how to do a redo. You know, I'm not trying to start again. I've hit the start button about a half a dozen times between 19 and 28. So I'm good. I don't want to hit the restart again. So, you know, now I'm in my mid-30s. I'm ready just to stick her out, man. I've got other, you know, dreams and ambitions in mind. One day I do want to own my own shop, or at least, you know, be a partner with somebody in owning and operating my own shop. But it's not the most awarding profession in the entire world when it comes to, you know, big money. You'd have to own your own shop really to see those figures, and you're going to have a bunch of headaches that come along with that. I remember I used to have a few conversations with Frank Emtech, and my God, that man would be at his shop for all hours of the day and night and into the morning, and then maybe get 3 to 4 hours of sleep if he was lucky. So, not exactly the most rewarding job in the entire world, but it rewards in other ways. You know, I think it rewards you because you have a sense of accomplishment or achievement from the day. You know, I got this done on this car, I got this many cars done throughout the day, and I helped this many people out throughout the week, and cars are better and safer on the road because of me. So it has other rewards, just not cash rewards. So I don't know. It's going to be up to you. I'll leave it up to you guys. Throw down in the comments if you think anyone should get into this trade during 2018, you know. Again, I don't know how to answer it for you. It's up to you at the end of the day. That's That's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a few clips from me at work in the beginning of this video. Cheers to those of you that have your beers. And see you next time. Deuces.